Got a Turnmaster 17 by 60 engine lathe. Gonna do a video on, walk around first, then we'll run it through some feeds and speeds. But here's your feed and speed chart. Here's your speed dial, kind of like a Clausen Colchester. What voltage, Ryan? 480 volt. We'll take a look at the length of the gap. So we're attached here at the back. Here's your line for the gap is out here. So you are 14. Let's see if I can show you that line a little bit better. I don't think this gap's ever been out, but it's right at the end of my finger. There's the line. You're 14 3/4 is what your gap is. So 14 3/4, we'll measure it again this side. There's your gap line. 5/8. 14 5/8. And we got inch and metric dials with very minimal backlash. And maybe just under 20 thousandths there. Yeah, 6 or 7 thousandths there. You getting 20 thousandths backlash on that, Ryan? I want to verify my findings. You're only 6 or 7 here.
Yeah, about that.
About 20, maybe just under. Around 20. Just over.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, about 20. But you're tight here, really tight there. All right. Complete taper attachment. Foot treadle. Here's your serial number. Sheet metal's all clean, guard's all clean. Spindle hole. All the fiberglass covers in great shape. All right, sir, let's run it through some paces, see what you got, man. What speed? 670? Spindle's quiet.
Yeah.
Real low, 65. Yeah, got a good spindle bearing for sure. She's quiet. Let's go up something. Let's go up around 1,000. 1,200. Drop her down once, give me mid-range, let's go through another feed, different feed, and we'll call it good. All right, I think that does it. Thanks for viewing.